I using only about 350 steps from the downstairs upstairs and downstairs to upstairs and downstairs. I find it is quite comfortable, quite safe as well. But save a lot of my a lot of my problem. My legs, I fell down more than 8 times. So my hands, actually only my left hand hurt. I cannot carry things. My left behind is my right hand. My right hand I can pick it up in the newspaper and read. But I still need somebody to help me to turn to the other page. Yes. But so far, this machine, I find that is so far so good. It's good to me because I still working as a part-time. I'm helping my son. Then only it takes me about 7 minutes to build up. Then after that, put me on a chair. Then start moving from machine, moving down the distance from the staircase, go to another door to be another exit. Because why if they have continue go to the staircase, that means I find that is more convenient. Don't have to use my walker, and so you got to depend on a machine which can help you to move around. But I can't sleep. I cannot lie down in the bed for all days. As long as can help you to serve some of your purpose, especially this age, my legs swelled up. This morning I just went to see a doctor. Injection. After the injection, I cannot stop to go to the toilet that fast. So this machine, it helps. So far, it helped me to a certain extent. But maybe later stage, they have even more advanced the machine. And of course, I will give my own opinion. So far so good.